Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm here with a very mini haul, and I'm actually very excited about this one because this is the first time that I went to Sephora and purchased something. This is the first time that I actually went to Sephora. So I'm really excited about the products, to use them and to review them and to let you all know how the products are. And I think the products I purchased from Sephora are really famous. So I'm hoping that it will work great on me. And I hope it turns out as good as it shows on other people's YouTube channels. So let's get started. So here is my Sephora bag, and it's a really sweet, cute little one because I purchased only 2 products from Sephora. So actually I'm not sure if Smashbox is cruelty-free because when I saw the package, I did not see any cruelty-free sign there, but the salesperson told me that it is cruelty-free, so I just have to Google it. Hey Google, is Smashbox cruelty-free?
Here's a summary from Cruelty-free Kitty. This means that Smashbox can't be considered a cruelty-free company. Here's the animal testing policy.
So it's pretty confusing. It says that Smashbox does test on animals where required by law. Does that make sense? How insane is that? But it says that this means that Smashbox can't be considered a cruelty-free company. Here's the animal testing policy from Smashbox's parent company, Estee Lauder. We don't test on animals nor ask others to test on our behalf except when required by law. So I'm confused. Is it cruelty-free or is it not? If you know about it, please let me know in the comment section. I'm really curious. So the first product I got from Sephora is from Smashbox, and this is the Cover Shot Ablaze Eye Palette. And this one has a very pretty packaging. I love this packaging. Oh my gosh, just look at this. So when you open it, it's got a little mirror. I just love all the colors. Can't wait to do a tutorial for you guys. I don't know why, but the colors are not really pigmented. But this one's swatching pretty good, so I don't want to jump into any conclusions right now. So I just want to test out this palette. I just want to see how blendable it is. But the colors are really pretty. They're gorgeous. I really don't want these eyeshadows to turn out to be chalky. Number one, because I have high hopes for this palette because I have watched other YouTubers and they are like all going gaga over this palette. So that's the reason why I bought this. Another reason is that the colors are super pretty and they're so warm and such lovely colors. And nonetheless, it's a pretty expensive palette. The second thing that I got is this one. This is the Real False Lashes by Benefit, and it's the Pin Up Lash. Oh my gosh, guys, just look at this. This is so cute. The lashes look really full. To be very honest, the packaging did not impress me much. I expected a little bit better packaging. They have this cute thing where you can just put it on your lash line and check if this eyelash will suit you. And I thought that this thing is really cute. So that is all that I got from Sephora. I got a couple of other things from Loreal. So these are the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. Oh my gosh, the color is super pretty, and I'm really impressed how pigmented this is. These are the 2 lip shades that I got from L'Oreal, and these are such pretty colors. I love the colors. So this one is in the shade Nude Allude, and this one is in the shade Blushing Ambition. I love this packaging. It smells delicious. The last thing that I got is this L'Oreal Paris Liner Magique. It's smudge-proof, waterproof, and it's got a precise applicator, and it's 100% black. I love how precise the application is. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of my haul video. This was everything that I got. It's a very cute mini haul and I love all the products that I got, though I need to test them out and I need to review them and I need to do tutorials on them. I can't wait. So thank you so much for watching, and I need to mention this, that guys, your comments make my day. I love each and every one of your comments. It makes me so happy, and you guys are the sweetest, the kindest. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Okay guys, if you like this video, you know what to do. Please like, share and comment on this video, and yes, please hit the subscribe button. Also don't forget about the bell icon. Also watch my other videos and I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.